Good evening. My name is Misbah Khanam Manyar and I am here to give presentation on topic components of an effective business model, osterwalder business model canvas. Components of an effective business model are key partners, key activities, proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, key resource, distribution channel, cost structure. Now, first we will look at key partners. In business, your key partners are the relationships that your business has with other business to ensure your business model will be successful. The most obvious key partnerships are related to your supply chain. Next is key activities. When it comes to the business model canvas, key activities are any activity your business is engaged in for the primary purpose of making a profit. Business activities include operations, marketing, productions, problem solving, and administration, etc. Next is value proposition. A company's value proposition communicates the number one reason why a product or service is best suited for a customer segment. A successful value proposition typically has a strong, clear headline that communicates the delivered benefit to the customers. Next we have is customer relationships. Customer relationships describe the type of relationship a company establishes with its specific customer segments. Customer relationships are driven by customers' acquisition, retention, and boosting sales. In other words, you need to keep and grow your customer relationships. Next is customer segment. Customer segment is the process of dividing customers into groups based on common characteristics so company can market to each group actively and appropriately. In business to business marketing, a company might segment customers according to a wide range of factors including industry, number of employees. Next, what we have is key resources. Key resources is the building block describing the most important assets needed to make a business model work. Every business model requires them, and it is only through them that companies generate value proposition and revenues. Key resources can be physically, financially, intellectually, or human. Next, what we have is distribution channel. A distribution channel represents a chain of business or intermediaries through which the final buyer purchases a good or service. A distribution channel include wholesalers, retailers, distributors, and the internet. In a direct distribution channel, the manufacturer sells directly to the customers. Next we have is cost structure. The cost structure is one of the building blocks of a business model. It represents how companies spend most of their resources to keep generating demand for their products and services. The cost structure together with revenue streams help assesses the operational scalability of an organization. Now we have Ostwald's business model canvas. The business model canvas is a strategic management template that helps business to describe, design and analyze their business models. The canvas was invented by Alex Ostwald, a Swiss business theorist and entrepreneur as a part of his PhD research. The business model canvas is a strategic management tool to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea or concept. It is one page document which works through the fundamental elements of a business or product structuring an idea in a coherent way. A business model canvas is a great tool to help you understand a business model in a straightforward, structured way. Using this canvas will lead the insights about the customers you serve, what value propositions are offered, through what channels, and how your company makes money. You can also use the business model canvas to understand your own business model or that of a competitors. The business model canvas was created by Alexander Ostwald of Strategizer. Here we have the components of business model canvas. First is the key partners. As we know that key partners are the relationship that your business has with the other business to ensure your business model will be successful. Next we have is key activities. When as we know that any activities that your business is engaged in for the primary purpose of making a profit, that is that we can call as the activities of business model. Next we have is that value proposition. The value proposition communicates the number one reason why a product or service is best suited for a customer segment. Next we have is that customer relationships. The type of relationship a company establishes with its specific customer segment. Next we have is customer segments. The process of dividing customers into groups based on the common characteristic, so companies can market to each group effectively and appropriately. Next we have is key resources. The building block describing the most important assets need to make a business model work. So for that the key resources are used. Next we have is mm, distribution channels. Distribution channel is a chain of business or intermediaries through which the final buyer purchases a good or service. Here I completes my presentation. Thank you.